Priority one at harvest time is getting the grain in the bin. But make sure not to overlook your combine's residue management system. After all, it sets you up for success in your fall tillage system or even when no-till planting the next spring. Making sure the wear parts of your discharge beater and chopper are in good working condition will not only ensure even material distribution, but also maximize fuel efficiency. Let's first talk about your combine's discharge beater. It transitions crop material out of the separator and into the chopper. When the leading edges of the wear strips are worn back to the trailing edge, you can turn them over. But once both sides are worn, they should be replaced. It's important to replace the wear strips in sets to ensure proper balance of the discharge beater. You'll also want to consult your operator's manual to make sure your vanes are adjusted properly. Feeding material evenly into the straw chopper will improve output and even distribution through your residue management system. Now, straw chopper blades typically last 2 to 3 seasons, depending on hours and conditions. But as knives become worn, you'll not only see reduced cutting performance, but you could also experience an increase in fuel consumption and reduced power. Worn chopper knives could potentially cost you up to 15% of your combine's horsepower. If you're replacing worn blades or just one broken blade, it's important to maintain the proper balance of the rotor. Replace both blades on a single support and both blades on the opposite support, 180 degrees. A minimum of 4 blades must be installed, even if you're just replacing one broken blade. It's also important to replace knives with the correct thickness. Installing the wrong chopper blade can result in chatter and vibration. Now, your straw chopper bushing should last 3 blade replacements, but this, of course, depends on conditions. Once bushings are worn, they should be replaced to prevent vibration. Overlooking worn bushings could result in throwing a knife, which could cause additional damage. The unique wing blade design of the S-Series chopper blade is the genuine John Deere offering. The wing design moves more air, giving an even spread of material across the entire width of the cutting platform. It also exhausts the separator area, allowing air to flow smoothly through the cleaning system. The cutting edge is also made of wear-resistant material, extending the life. If you have an earlier model combine, your John Deere dealer also offers a complete portfolio of chopper knives from A&I Products. Of course, we recommend scheduling an off-season inspection with your local dealer. John Deere dealers offer the best trained service technicians in the industry. Plus, we offer the right part at the right price.